Pick a niche or you fail. You heard it, I heard it, and every YouTube guy, every creator course, and every comment section repeated like it's gravity. So you sit down, you try to pick one, just gaming, just fitness, just finance, and 2 weeks in, you're bored out of your mind, scrolling through ideas that have nothing to do with your niche. Wondering if something wrong with you, and just so you know, there is nothing wrong with you. It's just the advice that is wrong. Here's a trap almost every new creator falls into. They think a niche is a subject. I'm a football channel, I'm a productivity channel. That's not a niche, that's a category, and categories are crowded. You're not the only football channel, you are the million. Think of it like a dialect in language. It's not just the words you use, it's the accent, the rhythm, and the personality behind them that makes you understandable. In a classroom, if a teacher only taught grammar, just rule, just structure, students will check out in week 1. Grammar alone is dry, but the teacher who actually gets through the student teaches subject through something else. They teach grammar through a song or a video game or a debate about the future, and the grammar didn't change, the context did. And that context is what made a 15 years old actually pay attention. The goal was never to find one perfect topic, it's to find the intersection between the method and the context. And once you see that, you stop asking, what's my niche? And I start asking a much better question. What's my bridge? Here's how you actually build a bridge in 2 steps. Steps 1, inventory your ingredients. Write down everything you know how to do or can't stop thinking about. For me, it looked like this: teaching, tech, football, and science. And then the step 2, find the bridge. Now, look at your list and ask, which one of these is how I communicate, and which one are what I communicate about? For me, it's very easy. Teaching isn't a topic I make videos about, but my method. It's how I structure a video, how I simplify a tutorial, and how I keep your attention. And all the rest could be the content. So my bridge became a teacher's method applied to a tech in football, for example. Not just a football channel where I break down plays and talk about players, but where I show you football from another perspective, the intersection of the things I like. Now I have a little homework for you because apparently I can't stop being a teacher even on camera. Draw 3 circles. In circle 1, you're gonna write what you're actually good at, your method, or maybe an ability that you have, like explaining, organizing, or maybe storytelling. In circle number 2, what you can stop talking about. That will be your context. For me, it will be tech, football, science. And in the third one, a problem you can solve for somebody else. Something like, I'm a beginner and I'm overwhelmed and I want to know about this topic. And now, where all these 3 overlaps, that's your niche of one. Nobody else has your exact combination of skills, obsessions, and perspective. And listen, I know what some of you might be thinking. What if I pick the wrong bridge? And here's the truth. You're going to be bad at it at first. I was. My early videos don't always reflect my teaching experience because I was still learning how to talk to a lens instead of a room of students. Which, by the way, I made an entire video on why you should be bad at YouTube before you can be good. You can go watch it. I will be linking it somewhere over here. Your niche isn't a cage, it's a starting point. You can't adjust a bridge that doesn't exist yet. Your messy pile of interests, the things you thought was holding you back, is actually the only thing nobody else can copy. And if you found your niche but you're still stuck on pressing polish, watch this video over here. Because knowing your niche means nothing if perfectionism keeps your niche of one sitting on a hard drive. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.